Did you know that water damage claims are 8 times more likely than theft and 6 times more likely than fire? Thanks to Moen Flow Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff, homeowners can now protect their homes from water damage and leaks. In this video, a Moen certified plumber will demonstrate how to install the 3/4-inch Flow Smart Water Shutoff with threaded connections to the device and crimp style fittings to the main water line. Before getting started, be sure you meet all code and installation requirements for the Moen Flow Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff. The valve must be installed on an accessible main cold water supply line. Please note that this is an advanced project. Moen recommends installation by a professional plumber. The device must be installed after the water meter, water shutoff, and pressure reducing valve if possible. The power supply and device must not be installed where the ambient temperature exceeds 104 degrees Fahrenheit or drops below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. An electrical outlet with continuous power within 10 feet of installation is required. The device must be in range of an active and strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal to ensure proper functionality. A smartphone with the installed Moen Smart Water app is required. Please note, on well systems, install the Smart Water Shutoff device after the well pressure tank with 100 mesh or finer Y strainer upstream of device. Do not install the device on fire sprinkler or suppression systems or on hot water distribution lines. Before installation, download the Moen Smart Water app and create an account. Plug in the Smart Water Shutoff and wait for both lights to turn on. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds until you see the white status light blink. Scan the QR code on the Smart Water Shutoff. The device will pair automatically. Return to the app and enter your home's Wi-Fi password. The app will then secure the connection and update network settings. Be sure to take a picture of the QR code in case you need it in the future. You can also find a copy of the QR code in the product box. You are now ready for installation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a pipe cutter, adjustable wrench, tape measure, thread seal tape, copper pipe and fittings, 2 male adapters, crimping tool, and safety glasses. Additional pipe fittings vary based on installation type. Installation types may include threaded solder, quick connect, and crimp or press connections, all of which may require varying tools. Locate and turn off the main water supply valve. Drain water from the highest flow rate fixture at the highest point in the house. Then open all other faucets to further reduce the water pressure. Leave the fixtures in the open position during installation. If using threaded adapters, apply thread seal tape to the male adapters. Thread adapters onto provided tailpieces. Then use an adjustable wrench to tighten the brass tailpiece, using a second wrench to hold the adapter. Unscrew the plastic union nut from the device and remove the insert from the waterway. Screw tailpieces and adapters onto the device using the union nuts. Measure the assembled device, including the tailpieces and adapters. Using the determined measurements, mark the water main line and cut using pipe cutters. Be sure to allow space for the shutoff device and both tailpieces. With the threading facing the space cut for the device, install the 2 union nut fittings onto the main pipe. Make sure the flow arrow is oriented in the correct direction. Apply grease and install the O-rings, ensuring they are seated properly to fit snug into the grooves to prevent unintentional leaks. Inspect the inside surfaces to ensure they are clean and free of residue or debris. Hold the Smart Water Shutoff device in line with the water main and tighten both union nuts. If you are installing your Smart Water Shutoff device using crimp or press connections, secure the connections with a crimping tool. Using a pair of adjustable wrenches or pliers, tighten the union nuts to an additional quarter turn. Do not over-tighten. Plug the power adapter into the outlet. Plug the power supply into the module and twist while pushing in to create a secure connection. The status and valve light will turn on, and then the valve light will turn green. Slowly open the main water shutoff partially and verify there are not drips or leaks coming from installation connections. If there are none, open the main water shutoff fully. After the air in the line is flushed out, close all open fixtures in the house, starting with the fixtures in the lowest point of the home and ending with the fixtures in the highest point. Open the Moen app and click on your device. Be sure all fixtures are off and tap Run Health Test. If a leak is identified at this stage, it is likely a leaky toilet or water fixture that needs tightening. After running your first health test, the system will start in learning mode to learn the home's water habits before being set in home mode. Congratulations! Your installation is complete.